Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legitimately own and can unlock the device. This is required for any saved password access. Once unlocked, open the browser or the operating system's password manager immediately so you don't drift away. Make sure to have any secondary authentication ready. Windows or Mac OS will ask to re-enter your account password, and browsers may ask for the device PIN. Begin with the stored credentials area. That first view gives you the list you need to inspect and act on. Next, navigate to the exact location for saved credentials, browser password sections, or the OS keychain. Once there, identify the account entry you want and click the Reveal or Details control. You will be prompted to authenticate again. This prevents remote access. Provide your password or biometric to proceed. After revealing, you can copy a password or export entries if the tool allows. Be cautious. Exporting may create an unencrypted file, so store it securely and delete exports when finished. To finish, close any open password views and lock your device. This prevents shoulder surfing or accidental exposure. If you exported credentials, delete that file and empty the recycle or trash, then use Secure Delete tools if available. Make sure Browser Sync is set how you want it to avoid unintentionally sharing passwords. If authentication fails, verify your account password or biometric settings, enable a master password in your browser, or use account recovery flows rather than guessing repeatedly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.